Welcome to DHS Informatics. In this video, we are going to see the demonstration on web application for earlier diagnosis of COVID-19 based on symptoms using machine learning. This project helps us to classify whether the COVID is positive or negative. We are inspired by the paper titled as Development of Machine Learning Based Web Application for Earlier Diagnosis of COVID-19 Based on the Symptoms. It is published in the year 2022. In DHS, we are developing a project with two techniques, one with Jupyter Notebook and another with Flask. Jupyter Notebook is basically a backend and Flask is a front-end. Jupyter Notebook is used for loading the data, applying the pre-processing technique for particular dataset, training the model, testing the model, and saving the model. This is how Jupyter Notebook look like. In Jupyter Notebook, there are two steps. One is pre-processing of the dataset and another one is training the model. First, we will discuss about pre-processing technique. Here we are importing all the necessary libraries and after that we will load our data set. Our data set totally consists of 5435 rows as you can see here. And this last column is label. There are two labels in our data set, yes or no. That means COVID positive or negative. Then we are applying data pre-processing technique. First we will check if any null value is present in our data set. There is no null value is present in our data set, so we will move further. This is the visualization of the data set, the number of COVID cases versus like how many positive cases and how many negative cases. As you can see here, positive cases are more than negative cases. And this is the pie chart. It will say positive cases are 80.7% and negative cases are 19.3%. And this is the visualization for breathing problem. And this is the visualization for the persons who are having fevers and not fever. And this is for dry cough and this is for sore throat. After this we will perform feature transformation. As you can see, the all yes and no is converted into ones and zeros after applying feature transformation. After the data oversampling will be performed due to we have in our data set number of positive cases are more than number of negative cases. That's why we are doing data oversampling here. After that, data splitting will be applied. We will split the data into 4 parts like X train, Y train, X test and Y test. After that, we will save that particular file. Now we are moving to model training. Here we will import all the necessary libraries and we will import the splitted data here. This is how splitted data look like. And here we are doing the model training. We are considering the first algorithm, that is support vector classifier. We have built the model for that. After that, it is giving the accuracy of 96% and this is the classification report of the support vector algorithm and this is the confusion matrix. And finally, we will save the model. The second algorithm is random forest classifier. For the random forest classifier, we are getting 94.18% of accuracy and this is the classification report and this is the confusion matrix. and finally we will save the model. Next we are discussing the algorithm called k nearest neighbor. This is the result analysis of k neighbor classifier. The accuracy score of k neighbor classifier is 94.3%, and this is the classification report, and this is the confusion matrix of the k neighbor classifier. Then we will save that particular model. The next algorithm is Navy bias classifier. Here we are building the model. The model has predicted the answers. We will compare with the true values, and the result analysis part is, first one is accuracy score. It is 83.52%, and this is the classification report, and this is the confusion matrix. And we will save the model. After that we are going with artificial neural network model. We will build the model. This is the model summary look like, and we will train the model, and model will predict its output. We will compare with the true value. Finally we will get the result analysis. The accuracy score is 99% for ANN, that is artificial neural network. This is the confusion matrix and classification report of the ANN. Finally we will save that particular model. After this, here we are comparing all the 5 models. As you can see here, artificial neural network will giving the highest accuracy. That's why it is, this bar chart is giving like it is reached up to 1. That means it is giving 99% accuracy. This is about the back end. Now we are going to see the front end part. This is the how front end look like. First we need to enter one name and the last name for that. We need to create one email ID. We need to click on the gender, after that city and country. Then we need to create one password. Then register page. After this we need to log in here. If you give the wrong password, it won't take. We need to enter the previous password what we have given for that. By the correct password only you can log into this particular page. After this, like we have to click on get predictions. First we need to select the symptoms what we have experienced. If I have breathing problem means I need to click S. Fever means S. Dry cough, if I have dry cough means S, or else no. No. Running nose, yes. No. No. Headache. No. No. After clicking all our experience, we need to click on submit. The results are saying it is COVID positive. Based on what I have experienced, based on that the model is predicting yes, it is COVID positive. This is about the front end part. In DHS Informatics, we are going to give the projects for reasonable price and help you until the last phase of your report and project reviews. So that please contact us on 9845166723 or 98866 We will also provide the quality report and we will help you in the installation, and we will explain you the entire code along with the PPTs. For more details, you can visit our office or you can call us on WhatsApp or normal call also. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.